All right, 2009 GMC 2500 HD with a 6-liter gas. Just got my check engine light to come back on. I thought I fixed it. I had a purge solenoid bad that was staying open, and then I also had what I thought was a loose connection on the vent valve because it wasn't holding pressure. And I ended up cleaning the connections and it was working fine. I have a new scan tool here that I picked up recently. It's a bi-directional scan tool made by Launch. It's the, let's see what it was called. Doesn't say on it. Oh yeah, it does. X431 Pro Mini version 3. It's basically just an Android tablet. If I can pull it out of the box here. Like most of the scan tools are now, just kind of Android based. But really nice little unit. A bunch of connectors and whatnot that comes with it that I don't need for OBD2. But what we're going to do today is see why the check engine light is back on. And like I said, I already fixed this, so I thought. It's been fine for a few days. So apparently we got something new. Either new or it's resurfaced. Maybe the vent valve isn't working again. So here's the OBD2 dongle, I guess they call it. Plug into the truck. And we'll go ahead and turn the key on. Hopefully this comes out on camera. I don't know if there's going to be too much glare. Let's see what we can do here. All right. Figure out how to use this. All right. Traditional diagnose. GM. You see the check engine is on. All right, so automatically search. Turn the ignition on, it's on, reading data. And I want to do system selection. It's a 6-speed automatic. This just says transmissions, please make a selection, but having my prior scan tool, it usually asks this if it's an auto transfer case, and I think somehow they made an error in the software. So I have a manual lever for the transfer case, so I'm just going to hit no. Manual heating and venting, doesn't have the screen on it. And I'm going to just say no to all the RPO codes. I don't really, I don't need to test any of those systems, even if this truck does have stability control and all that it's about to ask. Equal to or over 8,600. It is over. So I just do all without on these, without and without. All right, engine control module. Let's read the fault code and see what we got. Okay. Fuel trim system lean bank, a P0171-0. Not run this ignition, not run since cleared, passed, and failed. So it seems to be a intermittent lean condition. And then we've got the P0442 Evap small system, or system small leak detected. Okay, so it is possible that my vent valve isn't working again, but let me go back. I might have an additional leak now that I'm going to do actuation tests. Output control, I think it is. Yep. Evap vent solenoid. And what I do is I command it on and off, and I listen to see if I can hear it clicking. And I can. Let me bring the camera a little closer, see if you guys can hear it too. Let me put you under here where it is. Hopefully you can hear that clicking, which means the vent valve, sorry about that, which means the vent valve should be working. I guess it's possible it could be not sealing properly and allowing this small leak. So at this point, small leak is usually hard to find. You know, it could be as simple as the gas cap, usually isn't. I believe this has a recent gas cap. So I was kind of hoping that there was going to be something else here in this video to show you, but I guess I'll just do a follow-up on it. But like I said before, I had a code before for a large leak, which the vent valve was not closing. It wasn't working at all until I cleaned the connection and got it working again. So now that it's gone through all the rest of the tests and checked for other leaks, it's finding a small leak, which, like I said, could be the gas cap. The filler neck is fairly new, and it could be as simple as, you know, little hoses or a connection or something down there is leaking a little bit. The best way to diagnose that is with a smoke machine, and I don't have one. So I'm probably going to clear the code, tighten the gas cap, and see if it comes back. There is a possibility that the gas cap isn't sealing properly, and that could be the small leak. And there is a way to do a system seal and purge with this scan tool, which I can kind of watch and see how the pressure deteriorates in the tank, how quickly it happens. I actually could do that now and tighten the tank, tighten the cap, and see if it makes a difference. But this video is enough for now, so I just wanted to show you the new scan tool and how it works as far as diagnosing, you know, check engine codes and actuation tests. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do in here. Pretty much the scanner has everything. They're not cheap. It's about $700, but it used to be a couple $1,000s to get one that would do as much as this does. You can pretty much test any system and actuate any system in the truck. I mean, I could turn my windshield wipers on from here. For instance, body control module, actuation test, interior lighting, electric power management. No, I think it's miscellaneous. Yeah. Wiper relay. And then I can hit it on, and you can see the wipers working. But it's just a really nice scanner to test different systems within the truck. Again, it's a Launch x431 Pro S Mini version 3. It's the latest one. Really nice unit. All right, have a good one, guys.